Cybercurrency Bitcoin suffered a setback after it emerged that more than $1 million worth of it was stolen from an Australian bank. The money, which can only be used for online transactions, was taken from so-called anonymous web wallets where it had been stored. The fact that Bitcoin isn't regulated by any central bank has caused concerns about its safety and stability. Entrepreneur William Mook joins me live now for more on this. Thank you for joining us here on RT. So this is one of the largest thefts in the relatively short history of Bitcoin. How safe is the cyber currency?
It's safer than Federal Reserve notes. The FBI says that this year, there were $38 million lost in bank robberies, and only 20% of them were recovered. 20% of that money was recovered. In this case, you had an 18-year-old person who hosted a service of online clients and didn't follow appropriate procedure, and so it's a weak link in the chain. So as Bitcoin grows in value, it will attract more and more attacks like this, but Bitcoin will get stronger and stronger each time. We learn how to be more secure. So Bitcoin is an emergent system. It doesn't require regulation, although foolish people can do foolish things and be hacked on occasion. But each occasion that gets hacked makes the Bitcoin stronger because crowdsourcing of software improves the online currency.
This doesn't give you any sense that it needs to be regulated. There needs to be some central authority with control over it. It's just these kind of crowdsourced little multiple steps.
Yes, what we see today in the world with the LIBOR crisis in Greece and the failure in Cyprus is regulation doesn't work. You have regulatory capture, you just have system failure. And the thing that makes Bitcoin exciting for people who believe in Bitcoin is the fact that it's an emergent system. If it does require regulation to survive, then it really wasn't as good as we thought it was. These sorts of things do happen. You called this a bank. I would say this is a hosting service run by an 18-year-old. It's not a bank. The people who trusted a third party is really giving away the strength of Bitcoin, which doesn't require a third party.
Do you think that Bitcoin has potential to become a real alternative to current currencies?
Yes, it really does. The Soviet Union fell because of overregulation, and the rest of the world is sort of following along that path, albeit more slowly. We see failure to prosecute HSBC for laundering $380 billion in drug money last year. Regulation doesn't help in these cases. It would be nice if it did, but it doesn't in reality. So the strength that I see in Bitcoin and any cryptocurrency is the fact that it is mathematically emergent, sort of like the ecology of the earth. And if given time, it will grow in strength and has the potential to displace weak currencies as they fail.
William Mook, thanks very much for your time.
Thank you.